Even with mass job cuts at big tech firms like Amazon, Meta, and Twitter, a new CNBC survey finds a majority of U.S. workers are not concerned about layoffs. But there are growing worries about what they see as the biggest threat to their job security. Sharon Epperson is here. She's got more right now with those survey results. Sharon, good morning.
Good morning, Becky. You know, with relatively low unemployment and recent wage growth, only about 2 out of 5 workers, 39%, are concerned they or someone in their household will be laid off or lose their job in the next few months. And the overwhelming majority, 74%, say their company is prepared to handle a recession if one occurs. That's according to an online poll of more than 10,000 workers conducted by Momentive for CNBC in the last week of November, early December. The survey also found workplace satisfaction is a key factor in whether employees believe their company can handle a recession. 86% of those who say their overall morale at their company is excellent say their company is prepared to handle a recession. That's more than double the number of those who say morale at their company is poor. Still, inflation concerns are growing. More than 2/3 of workers, 67%, say the biggest threat to their job is an economic downturn. And that's 7 percentage points higher than in June 2019. That's the last time that CNBC polled workers on that particular question, Becky.
All right, so 39% still sounds pretty high to me. 39% of people are worried about a layoff in their household?
Yeah, and the majority are in tech. There are also a lot in advertising, in personal services. So those are the ones that are above average.
So how confident are workers that they'll find a new job in this environment?
Well, it's pretty surprising. They're very confident. About 80% of workers say that they think they'll find a new job in the next 6 months. More than a third say they could probably find one in the next month. But there's a big difference between what remote workers, fully remote workers, and those who are in person believe. Those who are fully remote, only about a quarter of them think that they'll be able to find a job with similar pay in the next 6 months if they lose their job.
So does that mean the Great Resignation is over?
Well, we have seen quitting numbers. About a third of people, more than a third actually, believe that they may quit their job. It's about 36% right now, but it was 39% in May. So we may have seen the peak there, and now it's leveling off a bit. In the middle of the pandemic, in May of 2020, it was only 20%.
Yeah, I mean, that'll tell you a lot. That JOLTS number is when the Fed watches very quickly, too.
Exactly.
You know, job offers and layoff and turnovers.
Yeah. We're going to have a lot more on career trends, though, what we've seen this year, what we're going to see in the year ahead tomorrow.